Hi friends, this is KP. Today we will see the order to cash cycle in EBS R12. So order to cash cycle starts from order management. When an organization gets order, first of all we have to check the inventory, then we'll have to book the order. So these are the steps we have to follow. In the first steps we have to book the order, then we have to launch and pick release, then move order transaction from the inventory, then ship confirmation, then we have to create the tax invoice by running the auto invoice program. Okay, then you can check the transaction in accounts receivable, then we can make the receipt against the transaction and create accounting, and can check that accounting entries in general ledger. Okay, so first of all we go to the system. Let's go. Let's open the Java page first. Okay, now we're on the system. Let's go to the order management responsibility. Indian local order management. As we have Indian localization implemented here, so the responsibility is named like Indian local order management, Indian local payables. So you have to go to the Indian local order management. The order manage orders and returns, then sales order. Here we have to choose the customer for which you have to book the order. Everything has come in the order type to give the line type, transaction type, standard order. Okay, and then another tab to give the payment term. Immediate payment are given. In order to choose the warehouse. I've taken this one JID. In the line item, it will give the order item. So this is the item I have taken. Quantity, let's say unit selling price has been populated. Okay, now we have to book the order, or if you'll save and you'll go to main tab, then you'll see the status is entered. Now you can book the order. Order has been booked. Here the status changed to booked. Now what the next step you can check here. Awaiting shipping. Here it is showing awaiting shipping. So where we'll have to go again? We have to go to the shipping tab. Shipping, then transaction. Okay, here we have to put the order number. What is the latest order number? Nine one 25. Okay, find ready to release or pick release. Okay, you can check all the details here. Now here we will have to launch pick release. Go, number of current request launched. Okay, so concurrent request will run. We'll have to check pick release. So let it complete. So all the reports has been generated here. Pick select report, shipping accession report. Okay, so launch pick release has been done. What is the next step? We can requery. Fine. So the line started showing release to warehouse. Next step is transact move order. That means the next step we'll have to perform from the inventory, that is transact moved order. So one move order number has been generated. We have to copy that one. Then we have to go to the inventory responsibility. Indian local inventory, you can give Indian local inventory. So here we'll have to go to the move orders, move order, then transact move order. Inventory we had taken JD, then just put that move order number generated in the pick release section. Find, select and transact. That means from the inventory it has been released by the person who is handling the inventory. So again we will have to go to the order management. Here again we have to go to shipping, then transaction, then find out the order number, and let's see the status. The status showing ship confirmation. That means we have to ship those products. The items has been taken from the inventory and put into the staging area, and now we'll have to ship through the transportation. So here we'll have to go to delivery tab and ship confirm. When we will ship confirm, the status open, it will change to close. See, will show concurrent program will run, and interface strip stop program will run by the system, which means the inventory, this one, interface strip stop. This concurrent program will reduce the balance from the inventory. That means inventory has been taken out of the inventory and transferred in the transport. It has been left out of the inventory organization. Now the status is closed, so all these details will be transferred to the air interface tables. So where we'll have to check it, we'll have to go to receivables responsibility. In the receivables responsibility, let's check autonomous interface lines. Okay. Here let's check the order number if it has come to this interface line or not. Control F11. Let's check 9125. See, the 9125 order number has not been showing here because the workflow background process, it has not been populated by the system. Let's in the real-time cases, workflow background is to run automatically, but here let's run it by manually. Let's go to system administration. Sorry, go to sysadmin. From here we will have to run workflow background process. Submit a new process. Workflow background process. Just give this parameter as yes. On all others are optional. Then run it. Submit another request. No. Find it. Now okay, it has been completed. Now we can check whether that order has come to the interface line or not. Now local receivables, interface lines. Can check here if our order has come here or not. Control F11. 9125 was the order number. Here it has come to the interface line. So what is the next step? When this one has come to the interface line, we have to import it to the air invoice. So we have to run the program, auto invoice master program, so that system will create the tax invoice in the accounts receivable. Okay, so let's go to request and submit a new request. Here we have to run auto invoice master program. Let's run it. Invoice source, that is imported, date is today's date, then put the sales order number 9125 9125. Okay, submit. So auto invoice master program will generate some other child programs, and it will create the tax invoice. Let's complete it. Okay, the master program has initiated the import program. Let's see the output. Selected one, successfully processed one. Sales order number was 9125. Then invoice has been created by the system. So let's check the invoice which has been created in the system. Oracle receivable, then transactions. Here just find out sales order number 9125 and the bill to customer was NFC. Find it. So the invoice number is 28. It has been created by the system. Now we can create the accounting. Let's go to tools, create accounting, create final accounting, post to GL. Okay, accounting has been created successfully. Let's view the accounting. The accounting is created, receivable account debited. That means the sundry debtors to revenue, the income account. Income account has been credited and sundry debtor is debited. Okay. Let's create the receipt. Then go to receipt and receipt method. Check receipt number. Let's 1 2 3 4 and it's 7. 3,87,000. custom name, then we'll have to apply. Here we'll have to find the transaction number or tax invoice number against which we'll have to, it was 28. Let's check. Apply date is today's date. Okay, let's save it. Applied 387,000. Okay, so this is the whole process of order to cash. Now you can check the entries in general ledger super, user, journals, enter, source, receivable, period, December, find, see. See the 2nd December entry, the 7th December today's entry, that has been created as receivable to revenue. Thank you.